Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to add music in a snap on a Snapchat app. Snapchat is a popular messaging app that lets users exchange pictures and videos called snaps that are meant to disappear after they are viewed. Snapchat is fun and there are a lot of variety of filters available on Snapchat to make snaps look extraordinary. You can also add music of your choice in a snap. These days, stories with music are trending. So now let's see how can we add a music on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Here, as you can see in the screen, we have already opened the Snapchat app. Now, take a random snap. Yeah, after taking the snap you will get to see lot of filtering options in the right of the screen, and one of them is a music symbol where you have to tap to add music from your choice. Okay, that's how you are going to add music in your snap. That's it for now. Thanks.